What do you do?
Get down.
What are you gonna do?
Get away from the door.
So tonight is week 2 of the Community Police Academy. It's a multi-week program where staff, faculty, and students can come and learn about the police department, and we can actually learn about the community as well.
High and tight.
High and tight, right? Good.
So tonight we'll touch a little bit on active threat. So if there was like an active shooter in the vicinity and how to protect against that.
See how you use the leverage?
One thing I learned tonight specifically was to bridge the door. So not necessarily just stack everything on top of one another,
You have 15 seconds to bridge from here to there. Go.
but to actually move tables and furniture along the length of the room so that nobody can push the door open.
I think this right here, you would never get in if you did just this.
But also if you needed to treat someone who has been injured in an attack,
And then just do the best you can and just drag them in.
they'll learn how to put tourniquets on, how to patch bullet or stab wounds, how to do CPR, how to apply an AED.
We lock the leg here just so that they don't roll back forward this way. And
Being able to identify threats, to be able to understand how to stay calm in a stressful situation. This class really teaches that, and really you get to understand how to be able to call 911 in an emergency and how to treat victims if you're in an active shooter situation. So yeah, I think everybody should take this class and learn from what the OSUPD are teaching us.